The role of reflection in teaching practice. Reflective practice in teaching. Good day, my name is Tiffany Ingram, and in this presentation, I will be discussing how reflective practice contributes to improved teaching and learning outcomes. Reflection in teaching is the deliberate process of thinking critically about one's teaching practice in order to improve future lessons. It goes beyond simply remembering what happened in a lesson. Instead, it involves carefully analyzing teaching strategies, learner responses, classroom interactions, and assessment outcomes to understand what worked well and what needs improvement. Benefits of reflective practice. Reflective practice provides several important benefits for teaching and learning. One key benefit is improved teaching effectiveness. When teachers reflect on their lessons, they are able to identify which strategies supported learning and which ones need improvement. This leads to more informed planning and stronger instructional decisions in the future. Another important benefit is improved learner outcomes. Reflection helps teachers understand how learners are engaging with content and allows them to adapt their teaching methods to meet different learning needs, abilities, and barriers to understanding. Reflection also strengthens teacher confidence and professional growth. As teachers continuously evaluate their experiences, they develop greater awareness of effective teaching strategies and become more flexible in responding to classroom challenges. Challenges of reflective practice. Despite its benefits, reflective practice also presents challenges. One major challenge is perspective, where teachers may struggle to view their teaching objectively and may only see the lesson from their own point of view. Another challenge is focus, where reflection can become too negative or too focused on isolated incidents instead of the overall teaching experience. Memory is also a challenge, as teachers manage many classroom events at once, making it difficult to recall all details accurately after a lesson. Reflection in policy documents. Reflection is strongly embedded in South African education policy, particularly in the Curriculum and Assessment Policy Statement, also known as CAPS. The Department of Basic Education explains that teachers must plan lessons, assess learner understanding, and continuously adapt their teaching strategies to ensure that learner outcomes are achieved. This cycle of planning, teaching, assessment, and improvement requires constant reflection because teachers must evaluate whether their methods are effective. CAPS also promotes inclusive education, requiring teachers to reflect on whether their teaching strategy supports diverse learner needs and learning barriers. This ensures that teaching is responsive and accessible to all learners. In conclusion, reflective practice is essential for improving teaching quality and learner success. Although it comes with challenges such as time pressure, self-evaluation difficulty, and limited feedback, it remains a powerful tool for continuous improvement and professional growth. Thank you. Bye.